Hey there, Chris from Science of Speed. Today I'm introducing an awesome new addition to the ScienceofSpeed Sport clutch lineup, the ScienceofSpeed Sport 550 twin organic clutch and flywheel kit. You know, too often S2000 owners have had to make a compromise when they push the power output of their S2000 and install a clutch capable of holding that power. Traditionally, clutches designed for high horsepower S2000s use heavy diaphragm springs or metallic discs with high coefficient of friction to increase torque holding capacity. This results in extreme pedal effort and can accelerate engine thrust bearing wear. They also can be really rough and difficult to engage, causing the whole car to shake when starting from a standstill. Finally, with the ScienceofSpeed Sport 550 twin organic clutch, you no longer need to make that compromise. It gives you all the performance you need while maintaining unparalleled ease of drivability. This clutch has 4 primary benefits. Number 1, of course, 550 foot-pounds of torque capacity, ease of engagement, drivetrain protection, and that it's all-inclusive. All the components you need are included in the kit. All right, so now that you know the benefits, let's talk briefly about how all this is made possible by looking at the components of the clutch. All of the elements included are bespoke to the S2000, which starts out with the included flywheel. The aluminum flywheel helps keep the weight down, while these studs and alignment dowels keep the weight balance components centered. Next, we have the flywheel side disc featuring special formulated, ultra-durable organic friction liners. Next, we have the floater plate, which features bushings which help keep the noise down both at idle and during operation. These components are driven by the pressure plate side disc and specifically off these bosses. To minimize shock to the drivetrain, including to the transmission axles and the rear end, we've chosen to use this fully encapsulated sprung hub. Lastly, we have the pressure plate. This is the same pressure plate from the Sport 325 and 400 hybrid that we've found to work so well in the S2000. This pressure plate features a patented ball bearing design which allows smooth movement of the diaphragm spring when the clutch pedal is depressed. This clutch gives you 550 pound-feet of torque capacity, which is more than enough capacity for more than 600 wheel horsepower. It's the ideal clutch when you need more capacity than what our Sport 400 hybrid offers, making it ideal for the S2000 producing between 450 and 600 wheel horsepower. But equally important, this clutch won't take away from the enjoyment of driving your S2000, because isn't that what's most important? Check out more information about this clutch by clicking the link below, or check out our website at ScienceofSpeed.com.